The Air Jordan 5 Oreo continues to hold strong appeal in the sneaker community, thanks to its clean and timeless look introduced in 2013 and revived in 2021. Known for its soft black suede, crisp white accents, and classic icy outsole, the pair keeps the same formula that made it a fan favorite. The signature shark tooth midsole with white speckles, translucent netting, and gray Jumpman tongue all contribute to its simple but striking identity. While the 2021 re-release sold out quickly, the Oreo colorway hasn't disappeared. Pairs remain available on resale platforms like Stocks, with prices shifting depending on size. Its consistent demand proves why collectors still chase this model. It's a straightforward, reliable Jordan 5 with long-lasting style. For viewers looking for a clean, easy-to-wear retro sneaker that never really goes out of trend, the Air Jordan 5 Oreo remains a solid pick in today's resale market.